Hi guys, I'm so sorry I just used my mom's tablet just because my mom's confiscated my phone including the other one because that is for my punishment. It's been like it's been 2 days ago. It's been 1 day ago, so I decided to ask my mom to give it back my phone. So because I just need it for my school projects like that. Okay, so let's start it. I'm just using my mom's tablet. Okay, yeah, that's my mom's tablet. Look, I use my mom's tablet because I sign in also here in YouTube account. Okay, let's go. Ah, that's cute. That's my wallpaper that I just took photos when I was a kid. Tignan ko. Ayoko na pumasok. Please, Mayor, paki-post na dahil may bagyo. Please, Mayor. Please. Please. Please na, Mayor. Please. Please. Please, Mayor. Please. Please. Come on, please, Mayor. Mayor, please. Please, please, Mayor. Please, please. 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 Yes! Let's go! Thank you! Hindi, nag-vlog lang ako. Thank you, Lord Mayor! Thank you, Lord! Papa, nagulatan. Ginulat ko pa si Papa. Thank you, Mayor! Thank you, thank you. Mayor Putin Lupa City. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm done now because I'm so excited. Okay, I'm done. Oh, thank you, Mayor. Dahil sa Baguio Cruising. Okay. Since there's no raining kasi. Wala kasi umulan. Baka bukas pa yun. Tingnan mo, look at the outside. Wala naman kasi umulan. Wala akong narinig. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Ayos. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thumbs up. Thank you, Mayor. God bless.